You spend 2 hours generating the perfect character for your AI story. Great face, perfect vibe, exactly what you imagined. You generate the next scene and it is a completely different person. Different nose, different hair, different lighting. The story is dead before it even starts. This is the #1 problem with AI video right now. And today I am going to show you exactly how to solve it, and the one tool that handles this better than every other option I've tested. Here's the problem. AI video tools don't have a permanent memory of your character. Every new clip you generate, the model is essentially meeting your character for the first time. It uses your text prompt as a rough guide, but with no actual reference locked in. It fills in the gaps differently every single time. Slightly different jaw, different eye shape. Your hero looks like a completely different actor in every scene. For a short meme clip, that is fine. But if you are building a trailer, a story, or a series, your audience needs to recognize the same person from scene to scene. That is what we're fixing today. Before we get to tools, here's the system that works. 3 steps, and skipping any one of them will break everything. Step 1, create a character reference image. Generate one single, high-quality image of your character from the front in neutral lighting with no background clutter. This becomes your character's passport photo. Every video clip you generate from here on must use this image as a reference input, not just a text description. Step 2, write a character lock prompt. Write a detailed, specific description of your character that you copy-paste into every single generation. No, a young woman with brown hair, but a woman in her late 20s, olive skin, straight dark brown hair to the shoulder, sharp jaw, thin brows, wearing a black leather jacket. The more specific, the better the lock. Step 3, use a tool that accepts reference input. This is where most people fail. They use a text-only AI video tool and wonder why the character looks different every time. You need a tool that lets you feed your reference image directly into every clip generation. That is the only way to truly lock the face. Here are the top AI video tools I've tested specifically for character consistency across multiple scenes. My top pick for character consistency, especially for trailers and storytelling, is Seedance 2.0. Let me show you exactly why. What makes Seedance different is something called quad-modal input. In one generation, you can feed it a reference photo of your character, a motion reference video showing how you want them to move, an audio track or voiceover, and your scene description text. All at the same time, that is the key. Most tools let you use text or an image. Seedance lets you use all 4 together, which gives the model an incredibly specific target to hit every single time. It has almost no room to drift. In my multi-scene test, same character, 3 completely different environments. Seedance maintained the face better than every other tool I tried. The same jaw, the same eyes, the same presence. You could actually tell it was the same person. So does native lip sync in 8 languages, which is a huge bonus if you are narrating your story or making dialogue-driven scenes. Resolution goes up to 2K, and a paid plan runs about $10 to $15 a month. Super quick workflow you can start today. First, generate your character reference image using MidJourney, DALL-E, or Leonardo AI front-facing. Clean background second. Write your character lock prompt. Be specific about every feature third. Open Seedance or Runway Gen-4 as a backup, and upload the reference image into every single generation fourth for each new scene. Keep the character lock prompt identical. Only change the environment, action, and camera angle fifth. Review each clip before moving on. If the face drifts, regenerate with a stronger reference. That is the full system reference image, character lock prompt. Right tool. Do all 3 and your story actually looks like a story, not a random AI slideshow. I'll drop a free character lock prompt template in the description. Just fill in your character's details and paste it into any tool. If this helped, hit like, subscribe. I cover AI video tools every week with real tests. See you in the next one.